If you are trying to decide between Keynote and Google Slides, this video will help you quickly understand the differences, the strength of each platform, and which one is better for your needs. Both tools are great for creating presentations, but they focus on very different types of users. Let's compare them. What is Keynote? Keynote is Apple's presentation software made for Mac, iPhone, and iPad users. It is known for smooth animations, beautiful templates, clean design tools, high quality visual presentations. Keynote is mainly designed for people inside the Apple ecosystem. You can also use it on the web through iCloud, but the best experience is on Apple devices. What is Google Slides? Google Slides is Google's cloud based presentation tool. It works directly in your browser and focuses heavily on collaboration, simplicity, accessibility, real time teamwork. Since it is web based, you can use it on almost any device without installing software. Ease of use. Both platforms are beginner friendly. Keynote feels more polished visually and offers smoother editing tools, especially on Mac. Google Slides is simpler and easier for quick presentations, especially for students, teams, and remote work. If you want advanced design freedom, Keynote feels more powerful. If you want speed and simplicity, Google Slides wins. Templates and design. This is one of the biggest differences. Keynote has more premium looking templates and animations right out of the box. Presentations made in Keynote usually look more cinematic and visually impressive. Google Slides templates are decent, but they are generally simpler and more business focused. So Keynote is better for design quality. Google Slides is better for fast productivity. Collaboration features. Google Slides is clearly stronger here. Multiple people can edit together in real time, leave comments, track changes, share presentations instantly. This makes it perfect for teams, schools, remote work. Keynote supports collaboration too, but it is not as seamless as Google Slides. Performance and compatibility. Keynote performs extremely smoothly on Apple devices. Animations and transitions are usually better optimized compared to Google Slides. However, compatibility can sometimes be an issue when exporting to PowerPoint or sharing with Windows users. Google Slides works almost everywhere: Windows, Mac, Chromebook, mobile devices. That flexibility is a huge advantage. Offline use. Keynote works excellently offline because it is a native app. Google Slides mainly depends on internet access, although offline mode is available if you enable it beforehand. For reliable offline presentations, Keynote is usually the safer choice. Pricing. Apple Keynote, Google Slides. Both tools are technically free. Keynote is free for Apple users. Google Slides is free with a Google account. But Google Workspace business features may require a paid subscription for teams and companies. Pros and cons. Keynote pros: excellent animations, beautiful templates, smooth performance on Apple devices, great for professional looking presentations. Keynote cons: best experience only on Apple devices, collaboration is weaker, compatibility issues can happen sometimes. Google Slides pros: excellent collaboration tools, works on almost any device, very easy to share, great for teams and students. Google Slides cons: fewer advanced design features, simpler templates, requires internet for the best experience. Conclusion and final verdict. So which one is better? Choose Keynote if you use Apple devices, if you care about presentation design and animations, and if you want visually impressive slides. Choose Google Slides if you work with teams, if you need easy sharing and collaboration, if you want something simple and accessible everywhere. At the end of the day, both are great tools. It really depends on whether you prioritize design quality or teamwork. And that is it for this quick comparison between Keynote and Google Slides. If you found this video helpful and useful, please do not forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching and goodbye.